Imagine wearing a pair of glasses that can record stunning 4K videos, answer phone calls, translate 139 languages in real time, recognize objects around you, and even let you chat with AI, all without taking your phone out of your pocket. Sounds like something from a sci-fi movie, right? Well, today, we're taking a closer look at the Blackview BV200 AI smart glasses. And by the end of this video, you'll know whether these futuristic glasses are actually worth your money. Welcome back to Caring Guy. If you love smart gadgets, drones, cameras, and innovative tech, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Let's get started.
The Blackview BV200 looks surprisingly normal. Unlike bulky smart glasses, these have a modern, stylish design that blends into everyday life. They're lightweight enough for daily wear and feature an open-ear audio design, allowing you to hear your surroundings while enjoying music or taking calls. That makes them a practical choice for commuting, cycling, walking, or traveling. One of the biggest highlights is the built-in camera. The BV200 can capture approximately 12 megapixel photos and record 4K HD videos, making it easy to record your adventures completely hands-free. Whether you're hiking, cycling, traveling, or simply capturing everyday moments, you can record everything from your own point of view. Photos and videos can also be transferred directly to your phone through Wi-Fi, so sharing your content is quick and convenient. Even better, once the files are transferred, they're automatically removed from the glasses, helping protect your privacy. Now, let's talk about the smartest feature. The BV200 includes an AI voice assistant, capable of voice conversations, answering questions, helping generate ideas, retrieving information, and assisting with everyday tasks. Instead of constantly pulling out your smartphone, simply wake the AI using the dedicated button and speak naturally. It's like carrying an AI assistant wherever you go. Travelers will love this feature. The glasses support real-time AI translation in 139 languages. Whether you're speaking with locals, attending international meetings, or traveling abroad, the glasses can recognize speech, generate live transcripts, and help bridge language barriers. That's a feature rarely found in wearable devices at this price. Here's where things become really interesting. Double-tap the camera button, point the glasses at an object, plant, landmark, menu, or product, and the AI identifies what you're looking at. It can instantly provide spoken information, turning your glasses into a portable AI encyclopedia. For travelers, students, and curious minds, this can be incredibly useful. The BV200 uses open-ear stereo speakers. Instead of blocking your ears, the speakers direct sound toward you while allowing you to stay aware of your surroundings. That's ideal for outdoor walks, jogging, cycling, or commuting. The glasses also include a built-in microphone for Bluetooth calls, making conversations clear and convenient without holding your phone. Bluetooth 6.0 provides faster connections, lower power consumption, improved stability, and better compatibility with modern smartphones. Operating the BV200 is refreshingly simple. Physical buttons handle photography, video recording, AI activation, and phone calls. The touch-sensitive side panel controls music playback, track selection, and volume adjustment using simple taps and swipes. Everything can be controlled without reaching for your phone. The internal storage can hold approximately 6,000 photos, making it suitable for long trips before transferring your files. One thoughtful feature is the automatic deletion of transferred photos and videos from the glasses, adding an extra layer of privacy if someone else uses the device. These smart glasses are ideal for travelers, content creators, cyclists, outdoor enthusiasts, students, business professionals, and anyone curious about AI-powered wearable technology. If you enjoy documenting your adventures while keeping your hands free, The BV200 offers a compelling combination of camera, AI, and smart features.
Although these glasses include impressive AI capabilities, actual performance may vary depending on the companion app, internet connection, software updates, and the supported AI services available in your region. Likewise, image quality and battery life will depend on lighting conditions, recording settings, and how frequently you use features such as AI, Bluetooth, and video recording. It's always worth checking the latest specifications from the seller before purchasing.
The Blackview BV200 AI smart glasses combine wearable AI, a hands-free camera, Bluetooth calling, open-ear audio, object recognition, and real-time translation into one compact device. For travelers, tech enthusiasts, and creators looking for an all-in-one smart wearable, the BV200 offers an exciting glimpse into the future. While it won't replace your smartphone or professional camera, it delivers an impressive range of smart features in a stylish pair of glasses. If you're fascinated by AI gadgets and wearable technology, this is definitely one to keep on your radar.
So, what do you think? Would you wear AI smart glasses like these in your everyday life? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Caring Guy, and turn on notifications for more reviews of the latest smart gadgets, drones, cameras, and innovative tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.